Welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Sony Xperia 10 Mark 5, and now I'm gonna show you how to check that your device is original or no. So first you need to open the settings, scroll down, find about phone here. Then scroll down again, and here you will see IMEI 1 and IMEI 2. So we need IMEI 1. So click and hold on it and click copy. Then open web browser and open any IMEI checking website. So I suggest use IMEI.info. Enter IMEI here. Consent. Click I'm a human. Wait for a captcha. Please click on all images containing fruits. So banana. Verify. Click check. Cool, and as you can see, it's Sony Xperia 10 Mark 4, and it's Sony, yeah. So it works, as you can see. This device is original because IMEI checker is checked this device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.